Welcome to World and Universe, Stories from the Underground. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, consider subscribing. In this episode, the highly trained astronaut Alex Carter is sent to the horrible environment of planet Venus to retrieve a device. Commander Alex Carter had trained for years for this mission, but nothing could truly prepare him for Venus. The second planet from the Sun was a world of fire and fury, its surface a hellscape of crushing pressure, acidic clouds, and scorching temperatures beyond comprehension. NASA's orders were clear: retrieve the pod. A previous mission had left behind a vital piece of technology, an experimental data module that contained breakthrough research. It was now up to Alex to retrieve it before Venus claimed it forever. As his spacecraft pierced the dense yellow clouds, Alex activated the most advanced spacesuit ever invented. A marvel of human engineering, it was designed to withstand the unbearable conditions, if only for 15 minutes. His descent was swift. The pod's signal pulsed in his visor's HUD, leading him to the cracked, basaltic ground. Ash swirled in the dense air, the wind howling like a beast from nightmares. His boots touched down, and he moved quickly, the countdown already ticking in his head. Through the thick haze, the pod came into view, half buried in the scorched terrain. Alex sprinted forward, every second precious. His gloved hands gripped the device, pulling it free. A jolt of triumph surged through him. Mission success. Then his suit's warning alarms blared. Critical suit failure imminent. Exposure limit exceeded. Alex's breath hitched. He had run out of time. Heat surged through the suit, unbearable even with its failing insulation. His limbs felt like they were melting. The crushing pressure pressed against him, squeezing his lungs. Radiation burned into his skin. And then, movement. Through the shimmering air, something approached. It was massive, grotesque, an arachnid-like horror with too many legs and a hideous blue exoskeleton. Its many eyes gleamed with a hungry intelligence. Alex's vision blurred. His knees buckled as oxygen deprivation and searing heat racked his body. The creature loomed over him, its mandibles clicking, dripping with an unknown substance. This was it. He had survived Venus only to become prey. Then from above, salvation. An immense cord shot through the thick air, its metallic sheen reflecting the hellish light of the planet. It latched onto Alex's suit, tightening with precision. With a powerful jolt, he was yanked skyward, leaving the monstrous creature behind as it screeched in frustration. The clouds parted, and Alex ascended beyond Venus's grasp. His vision dimmed as unconsciousness took hold. When he awoke, the heat was gone. Cool, fresh air filled his lungs. A soft, artificial light bathed his surroundings. He was inside an enormous spaceship. Human figures stood around him. Astronauts clad in unfamiliar yet recognizable uniforms. One stepped forward and smiled. "Welcome back, Alex." He had been saved. But by whom? What they want from Alex Carter? If you enjoy this story, share to your friends or give us a like. And see you next time for one more episode of Stories from the Underground.